Hello, my name's Lara and I'm the founder of Story Antics, a company that uses digital personalisation to customise the story experience for children. Reading is crucial for children throughout their early years, and by creating unique personalised books, we help engaged children learn better. The inspiration for personalised recipe stories came from my own passion of baking, the educational opportunities it brings, and witnessing the excitement of children as they interact with our books. Their imagination and passion for creativity and learning undoubtedly ignites when they see a unique book made for them. I have a track record of establishing successful businesses in the online space, and Story Antics has gone from strength to strength since launching, with several investors and support from our community. Our team includes talented illustrators, editors, and an external print house, all ready to get started. The books will create a new pathway to enhanced learning and engagement to strengthen children's education in not just reading, but also maths and science. I ask that you help us bring our stories to life so that we can inspire the next generation of chefs and install the love of cooking.